Hello dolls! Today I thought we would go back to basics and make a part 2 for my most popular video, DIY t-shirt cutting easy alterations. So no sewing, no glue, just grab your scissors and let's jump right in. For this video you will need a loose fitting t-shirt, 2 more t-shirts, any fit will do, a sharp pair of scissors, a ruler, and something to mark your clothing with. Alright, first up, the slashed shirt. This tutorial works best with a loose-fitting t-shirt with a high neckline. Also, check out thecheckeredeye.com for some great information. This tutorial is as easy as it looks, so put your shirt on inside out and mark a straight line across your chest an inch or 2 under your collarbone. Continue the line across your shoulders and try not to make it as crooked as mine. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and start straightening your lines. Leave a couple inches between the arm lines and the center line. Then cut the arm lines through both layers, then cut the center line. I just cut the front layer, but you can do both if you want the back cut as well. Okay, put your shirt back on. I knotted mine. Now, if the fabric is sticking out at the shoulders, just trim off the point. This is very hard to do while you're wearing your shirt. And that's all. The next tutorial is the cinched crop top. So put your shirt on inside out and mark a line down the center, and mark your hip bones. So lay your shirt down flat and cut straight across your hip marks. Now from the bottom piece, cut 2 strips a couple centimeters wide. Now stretch those strips and cut just one of the seams on each. And try to ignore your cat. Lay your shirt down flat and draw a line straight down the center of your shirt. When your cat makes this impossible, throw something to get him out of the room and then shut the door. Now use your ruler to make marks 1/2 inch apart all the way down the center of the shirt. Try to make an even number of marks. Now change the very top and the very bottom marks into 2 beside each other. And start cutting teeny tiny holes where you made all of your marks. Now flip your shirt over and do the exact same thing on the back. Flip your shirt back to the front and grab one of your strips from earlier. String each end into one of the top 2 holes so that the seam is in the center. Then pull both ends back up through the next hole down. Weave both ends of the strip in and out through the holes all the way down. And then separate them and pull each one out of the last 2 holes. Flip your shirt over and do the exact same thing on the back. Now, put your shirt on and fold the sides inwards. Then tie the back first in a bow as high as you want it, and then the front. Alright, the last tutorial is the cropped wrap shirt. So put your shirt on inside out and mark how short you want the crop to be across your shirt. Once again, try to make it straighter than mine. Now lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and draw a line across where your crop marks are. Now, starting a few inches above that line, start drawing a vertical line down the center of the shirt, a little more than halfway to the bottom. Now, this is a little hard to put into words, but starting from the cropped line, halfway between the edge of the shirt and the center line, start drawing a curved L shape inwards and then down, staying a couple inches away from the center line. Then curve it back to the edge of the shirt. Then continue your center line to the edge of the shirt, staying a couple inches away from your curved line. Repeat on the other side so your two L's make a weird T shape. These L's will be our ties, and now it's time to cut them out. So cutting through both layers of fabric, start to cut out the ties from the crop line down, then from the bottom of the tie up through the center line. Do this on both sides. Then cut the few inches of center line up into the shirt through the top layer only. Then cut the back straight across and cut off the thick ends of the ties. Now, put your shirt back on, cross your ties in the front, and wrap them around you. Then tie it in a bow in the back, front, or side of your shirt. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed yourself or you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, you can check out my other social medias, all at Unorthodoll. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or you can watch another video by clicking over here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.